Yes, welcome to my class everyone. My name is Ramesh. I have 14 plus years of experience as a web developer and a trainer. Clear it everybody? Right. Now today class onwards, what are the things we are going to discuss? We are going to learn about UI technologies. What is it everybody? UI technologies. Okay. What is our course? UI technologies. This is our course only. So as a part of this course, what are the languages we are going to learn? As a part of this course, what are the languages or else what are the technologies we are going to learn as a part of this course? So it is very simple, HTML version 5. That means it will contain the older versions also, no need to worry about that. You will teach only 5 version like that. Okay, older versions also it will be covered. Then after CSS version 3. What is it everybody? CSS version 3. Then after JavaScript, I will discuss with you what JavaScript. Then after then after completion of JavaScript, I will discuss with you jQuery. What is it, everybody? jQuery. And then after final, I will discuss with you Bootstrap. What is it, everyone? A Bootstrap version 4. Okay, right. Then after finally, we will design a responsive web template. Responsive web template. This is what we are going to discuss as a part of this course. Clear it, everybody? Right. What are those? HTML. What is that? Version 5. And it will contain older versions also. CSS version 3. It will contain true also. Then after JavaScript. Then after jQuery. And finally, we will discuss about Bootstrap. Then we will design a responsive template. So don't think there is a project or something. This is our project. A responsive web template, a web page. Clear it, everybody? Right. This is about this. Okay. Right. So now coming to duration. What is it, everybody? Coming to duration. 3 months it will take. What is it, everybody? 3 months it will take because 2.5 to 3 months. Because HTML says itself it will take 1 month. Because we need to know clear knowledge. We need to get clear knowledge. Within 10 days, 15 days, if you are taking hours and hours, it is possible. But daily 10 hours, something like that, okay, we can complete 1 week also. Okay. But we are taking only 1 hour. So understand everybody, so it doesn't complete. So HTML says it will take at least 1 month. Then after JavaScript will take easily 1 month. Why? Because they are languages. It will take little time. So 2 months is completed. Then after jQuery, a week. Then after Bootstrap, a week. And finally a template 2 to 3 days. So here itself it is completing 2.5 months. So middle Sunday, Saturday, Sunday, and other extra holidays is there, Pongal holidays, something like that. Okay. So that's why it will take little bit 3 months also easy. Clear it, everybody? Right. This is our duration. Okay. Then after, what is this? Time. Class time. What is it, everybody? Class time. Class time is daily 1 hour. What is it, everybody? 1 hour. Okay. Morning. What is our time? 9 to 10. Morning 9 to 10. Daily 1 hour class. Okay. Right. So what you will get as a part of this course? Videos, okay, example files with notes. Example files with notes. I don't have any pre-written notes. I don't have any pre-written notes. That means I don't have any pre-written material. That's what I want to tell. For that, everybody, I don't have any pre-written material. Okay, I will give the notes in the example files only. So that example file will be there, notes also will be there, and example file I will say with the topic name. For example, I am explaining about border. So border underscore example. So that if you want to refer border related notes, you can open that file and you can check the notes. So what is the advantage? You can prepare topic by topic. Whenever you are preparing for interview, also will prepare topic by topic only. Entire material we don't read. Topic by topic only we read. And we'll search for examples and everything. So material means what happens? We'll see the example only. But output maybe they will display or else may not display also in the material. Right, everybody? But here what is happening and what is the advantage? Example you will see. Notes you will see. And if you run, you will find the output also. Then you can calculate everything. Clear or not? Respond, everybody? Okay. So this is also advantage. So What is that? Duration is 3 months. Last time is 1 hour, morning 9 to 10, same time daily. Okay. Then after what you will get? Videos and files with the notes. This is what we are getting. Okay, everybody. Okay, right. This is about the course certification. Regarding course information, no doubt. Okay, right. So to learn these technologies, what is the difference? To learn these technologies, do we need to have any prerequisites? That means we need to learn anything. So there is no prerequisites to learn this course. There is absolutely no prerequisites to learn this course. Why? Because this is the starting step in the software industry. This is the starting step in the software industry. Understanding or not? Okay, this is the starting step in the software industry. There is absolutely no prerequisites to learn this course. Okay, whoever also they can learn. BCom students they can learn. BA students they can learn. Of course, computer students obviously. Okay, electronics, mechanical, civil. Okay, chemical engineers. Okay, so what type of people also they can learn. There is no absolutely prerequisites to learn this course. Some people will think if they want to join any software course, we need to know C first like that. Okay, that is not obvious here. If you know C also, it's okay, good. If you don't know also, you can learn. That is not a problem. Just because of you don't know C, there is no problem with the UI technology. Understanding that, everybody? If we have any other language knowledge also, it will be fine. If you don't have also, it is fine. Okay, there is absolutely no prerequisites to learn this course. And UI technology's job scope is very high also. UI technology job scope is very high also. Why? Everywhere, every company requires this UI development. Startups also there, middle levels also there, MNC companies also there. Right, everybody? So your job will be secure. That is your career. Job means what? But your career will be secure. You will get always jobs. If you are fresher also, experienced also, okay, very well experienced also, high level experienced also, whatever it may be, you will get it. That means fresher also, junior software engineer, middle level software engineer, senior software engineer, then after 3 years project manager, everywhere you will get this. Clear or not? Respond, everybody? Okay, so there is so much growth also there. So along with this UI technologies, if you learn Angular or React JS, it is very advantage for. Why? Because nowadays everybody is expecting more technology related knowledge from one single person. Okay, from one single person they are expecting so many technologies knowledge. So along with this UI technologies, if you learn either Angular or React JS, both will be good for your career. Okay, for example, think A is there. He knows only UI technologies. B is there. He knows only React JS or Angular. C is there. He knows UI technologies plus React or Angular. Any one of the technology he knows. Both are attending for the same interview. And everybody is performing equally. In the UI technologies, how much A is performing? In the same way, C also performing. In the React JS, how much B is performing? In the same way, C also performing. Then tell me whom they will recruit, A, B, C or C. See, if they recruit individually, they need to pay 20,000 for A. They need to pay 20,000 for B. So they need to invest 40,000. But instead of that, what they will do, they will offer 20,000 for this C. So they will save 15,000 and they will get more product. Understanding or not? They will save 50,000 also. They will save time also because same person will do multiple works. So that is our point I'm taking. So you should buy always C. As many technologies as you know, that will be good for your career. Okay, I'm telling frankly here. Okay, so I'm not promoting other languages here, something like that. Okay, right. This is about these things. This is related to course also, class timings also, and this is related to your career also. Okay, everybody, right? Because somebody they want to ask these things in the last of the class or something like that. But few people will ask me. So I want to tell the same information for every student. That's why I'm telling this in the starting of the class. Okay, right. Now coming to our subject. What is that, everybody? Coming to our subject. What is our subject? UI technology. What is that, everybody? UI technology. Okay, right. What is this, everybody? UI technologies. So why we need to use this UI technologies? Okay, what is the use of UI technology in the software industry? Okay, so that's what also we need to know. Okay, everybody, right? So before going to that, after learning this UI technologies, what you will become? What you will become? UI developer. So what is the advantage of UI developers? What is the advantage of UI developers? They can develop user interfaces for the web applications. What is it, everybody? They can develop user interfaces for the web applications. Okay, right. So what are the necessity of web applications in the world? What are the necessity of web application in the world? That is also we need to know. See, demo class means he will need to give directly introduction of HTML, CSS. Of course, I need to give. But before that, we need to know importance of the technology also. Some people will then learn the technology blindly, but they don't know importance level also. After completion of the course, forget about starting of the course, nobody knows. But after completion of the course also, they don't have that confidence. What is my role in the company? Something like that. Okay, by using that, by using this technology, what is the advantage to the world? Something like that, they don't understand really. Clear it, everybody? So that's what I'm telling in the starting days. Okay, so after learning this technology, you are telling that you are becoming a UI developer. What the UI developers will do, they will develop user interface for the web applications. So, what is the advantage of web application in the world? If there is no web application, for example, okay, entire internet is collapsed. Nobody developing web applications. Then what happens? Is there any loss to world? If there is no web application in the world, is there any loss to world or is no loss? That's not everybody. If there is nobody developing web applications, no internet is working. Is there any loss to world or is no loss? Definitely there is a loss to the world also. Why? Because everybody is nowadays using web applications, mobile applications. Everywhere, any place, they are using this. If suddenly they have stopped means, okay, definitely there will be huge loss also. Okay, for example, if you observe before 20 years, 30 years, there is no web applications, mobile applications like that. Everybody has to go to the banks, right? Why? In order to do the financial transactions. In order to do the financial transactions. So they need to wait hours and hours. So, okay, understand everybody, they need to wait hours and hours. Okay, so there in that case, nobody using bank accounts that much frequently. Out of 100, only 20% to 30% people have, okay, bank accounts. But still, if you whenever you go to the bank branch, okay, there is huge crowd will be there. They need to wait hours and hours. Okay, and if there is a bank work, at least you need to postpone your work half it. You need to spend that bank work half it. Morning 10 o'clock they will open. You need to stay there until 12 to 1 o'clock. Right, everybody. So if they made any mistakes also to rectify that, it will take lot of time. For example, you deposited 10,000, but by mistake they have entered as 1,000 only. In order to recollect that entire data, it will take lot of time. Sometimes they don't give you your money also. Understand, everybody? Right. But nowadays observe, there is everything is available. We can do it through mobile only. We can send money through phone pay. What is that phone pay? Mobile application. Mobile phone pay can be used through computer or not? What is that? Web application. Was it, everybody? Web application. Remember, every mobile application should have web application. Every mobile application should have web application. Okay, everybody? Right. So we can transfer or not money through phone pay. What is that? Mobile application. For example, suddenly they have stopped this phone pay. Then what happens? Everybody has to go to the ATMs. If they stop the ATMs also, what we need to do? We need to go to the banks. Previously, 20 to 30 years, 20 to 30 years back, there is 20% only using bank notes. But now, 99% people are using. Because if you want to get any pensions from the government, okay, if you want to get any benefit from the government, you should have bank account. So illiterate people also using, villagers also using. If you want to get any fees reimbursement or anything, you should have your own account. So every student must have that. Every employee must have that bank account. Every company must have that bank account. So out of 100, 99.9% people are using bank account. If suddenly they have stopped the web applications or mobile applications, everybody will go to the banks. They need to wait not half a day, whole day also not sufficient. They need to spend 2 to 3 hours. They need to go to the bank. They need to wait hours and hours. They will take a token number. After 2 days, they need to go to the, for example, however bike service points is work. If the rush is high, what we will do? We'll hand over the bike to the service point. Tomorrow we'll go and we'll pick up. Right, everybody? Respond. Respond. We are going to banks bike servicing. What happens? You will go. You will give in the service on what they will give you. They don't immediately deliver you. They will give you a token. Whenever completed, I will call you like that. They will tell. Right? So in the same way, you need to take the, you need to get that bill report. Then after, whenever it is completed, then you need to go and you need to take it. The same way banks also. If suddenly everybody stops for the bank applications, we need to go to the banks. We need to wait on hours and hours. We need to get a token number. Whenever, so they will tell after 2 days, 3 days, it will come. They need to go at that time. Then only will do that. So it will delay the entire process. Understand? It will delay the entire process. And if any man make any mistake, since internet is working, not working, they cannot store in the web applications also. Everything they need to maintain in the books. If any man make any mistake, we need to lose our money also. Instead of 10,000, if they enter 1,000, we need to lose our money. Okay, instead of 10,000, if they enter 1 lakh, somebody has to lose that money. Right, everybody? Understanding or not? Respond. So that is the disadvantage. Not only financial needs. For example, you want to purchase some books. Previous days, what happens? We need to go to that area manually. If you want to prepare for civils, we need to go to the Delhi. There only we need to purchase that book. Or else, if anybody is going, we need to request them manually. Okay, if nobody is going, you need to go personally. Okay, understanding or not? But nowadays, observe just whatever the books we require, we can order through online. Anywhere from the India without moving anywhere, you can sit in your room and you can order the books. If you are not using smartphone, also if you are still very poor, you are not able to access a mobile also, you can go to any internet point. That internet point address you can give for that person, you can pay the money, that civils related books, and whenever books is delivered, you can get it because he can online order through online. No need to request anybody. Understanding or not? Okay. So not only that very mandatory things like entertainment things or else just very beauty products also, personal interest. What is it, everybody? Personal interest. For example, you want to purchase a soap or else you want to purchase a face cream which is not available in your local town or else local district or capital also. It is available in some Delhi, Punjab or something like that. What you can do, you can search in the Amazon.in, you can immediately order that. Right, everybody? And not only that, if you want entertainment, you don't want to go to the theaters, you don't want to see the movies in the rush, you can wait up to 1 month. Then what happens? You can see the movies in the Amazon, Netflix also. Amazon Prime, Netflix, Hotstar, something like that, you can watch the movies. Understand, everybody? So as a software engineer, not only you are surveying, directly or indirectly you are helping to the others also. Just because of our software engineer community, so many people are saving their time. So that others also, that means entire world also saving some time. Instead of doing everything in 2 days, 3 days, we are doing within fraction of time. And okay, under that software programs reports also will be genuine. For example, bank reports. You have deposited 10,000 today. After 1 week, you want to check your money balance and everything. Suddenly, it is showing only 2,000 or 1,000 only. So you are confusing where you have spent all 9,000 within this 1 week like that. So what you can do, you can check your bank report. Then what happens? Each and every rupee, each and every paisa, it will show where you have spent 2,000, where you have spent 4,000 like that. Understanding or not? So if suddenly they have collapsed that web application system or mobile application system, what happens? There is a loss. So why I am telling this point is this is related to your career. Whenever there is a requirement, whenever there is a necessity, then only they will call you. For example, whenever you are constructing a home, then only you will hire the labor, the persons, okay, to construct that building. Right, everybody? If there is no necessity for your home, then what happens? You don't recruit. So if there is any necessity in the world, then only they will develop software applications. Whenever they are developing software application, then only they will recruit. Now tell me, there is a requirement for web applications or not in the world? Tell me. So tell me everybody, requirement or not in the world? So if there is a requirement, definitely they will hire you or not. So that much job opportunity will come. Okay, not 1 year, not 2 years, not your life, not your lifetime. As long as internet is working, that means as long as world is there, that means up to there internet should be there. So as long as this world exists, up to then web developers has job opportunities, whether it is front end development or back end development. This is a point I want to tell. Somebody will feeling a little bit worry about their career also. So I'm telling you frankly, there is obviously no need to worry about your career as a software engineer, especially as a web developer. What is it, everybody? Especially as a web developer, definitely no need to worry about your career also. So definitely you can choose web development as your career. Development means designing also will come and back-end development also will come. Okay, everybody. So you can choose any one of them or else both also if you know it is very, very good for your career. Understanding? Right. This I'm not telling you any lies. Is there any lies? Whatever I'm telling here. Tell me. All the practical examples I'm telling, right? Yes. Okay. Right. This is the necessity of web development. This is the necessity of web application development in the world. Okay, everybody. Right. So what is our course? UI technologies. Right. So there is other terminology also there for this UI technology. What is that? UX. What is that, everybody? UX. Somebody will call UX also. Somebody will call UI also. So now tell me everybody, UX and UI both are same or else both are different? How many are of you feeling both are same or else both are different? How many people respond? You are not responding at least. Hello, respond everyone. How many of you people are feeling UX and UI both are same or else both are different? Raise your hands for different. Different. Raise your hands. Okay, nobody. Different. Okay. Raise your hands for same. See, at least raise your hands for any one of them. It is right or wrong. I don't give you any prize if you are telling right. If you are telling wrong answer also, I don't tell you get out of my class, something like that. Tell me, both are same or else both are different? Same. Raise your hands for same. Right. Tell you are different. Right. So both are different. Okay. Online people are not responding. Respond through voice, not through chat. I don't check your chat. Rajesh, Hima, Srivani, Susana, Sika, Malli. Okay, right. What is that, everybody? Yeah. UX and AI both are different, but they have relation. Okay, everybody, like you and your parents. Everybody is coming through from your parents only. Right, everybody? Right. So UX stands for, what is UX stands for? UX stands for user experience. What is it, everybody? Experience. Okay, UX is not part of this course, just knowledge purpose I'm telling. Okay, right. Then after UI. UI stands for user interface. What is it, everybody? User interface. UX stands for user experience. UX stands for user interface. Then what is user experience and what is user interface? So experience means if you are seeing something also we can experience. So whatever you are seeing in the browser, that is experience. Whatever you are seeing in the browser, that is experience. Whatever you are interacting with the application, that comes under interface. That comes under interface. That means whatever you are seeing is experience. Whatever you are doing is interaction, is what you are doing something. Whatever you are doing is interface. Interaction. Whatever you are doing is interaction. This is the difference between UX and UI. Okay, right. Why we require these UX designers? That is only graphical, or we also can design something. Why we require UX designers? So that is not it, just like a dummy thing. Okay, that is not just like a dummy thing. That is very, very important role. in the software development also. Okay, everybody, just like our construction of home. For example, you want to construct a home. What will you do? Directly you will go to the bricks person and you will order the bricks. Directly you will go to the cement person, you will order the cement. No. Whenever you want to construct a home, what will you do? You will plan for that. What is that, everybody? We will plan for that. We will require engineer to give for our plan. So, what is that plan? How we will design that plan? By using pencil and paper. What is it, everybody? Pencil and paper. Because whenever there is any mistake, you can immediately correct them. No, I don't want here. I want here only. Something that we can give the corrections also. Right, everybody? Right. So first of all, we will design in a pencil. So if everything is fine, what happens? We will go to the next level. So in the same way, whenever they want to develop any application also, nobody writes a programming. They'll think that we need to write for loop, need to write if condition by what we need to do like that. No. There is always some requirements will be there. Okay, everybody, there is always some requirements will be there. Who will create these requirements? Business analyst. What is it, everybody? Business analyst. So each and every software company has this business department, sales department. Sales department persons will brings projects for our company. Who is that? Sales department. Okay. Then after getting that project, what he will do? That business analyst will be there, right? Business department person. He will communicate with the client, whoever came for a project. So the clients may have some knowledge, whatever the project they are expecting. Some people they don't have any knowledge about the project. For example, they have plenty of money. Okay, they want to develop an application like Amazon.in or else Twitter.com. They want or else Facebook.com or else TikTok, that type of application. So only that thing only they know what application they want to make. But what are the functions involved? They don't have that idea. So what they will do? They will speak with that business analyst will speak with that client. So do you want this functionality? Do you want that functionality? This is the advantage of this functionality. These are disadvantages of this functionality. Do you require this? Do you require that? So much time they will come. However, we are going to purchase a bike. However, we speak with the salesperson. Right? What is the speed? What is the maximum speed it will go? What is the mileage it will give? Something like that. Some people we want that bike, but we don't know obviously exactly things of that bike. So what we'll do? We'll go to the showroom. We'll speak. They will give some knowledge. Okay, this is the brakes it has. If you have, this is how it will work. In the same way, that business analyst person will speak with that client. This is the functionality is involved in this TikTok. This is the functionality involved in this Amazon.in. This is the functionality involved in this Twitter or Facebook. This type of functionality will be required or not? Will be required or not? So they will take 2 to 3 sessions to complete that requirements. After completion of requirements, they will send all the departments: web application development, mobile application development, UI development. In the UI only, UX also will be included. Okay, but all the partners will sit in a room. Why? To finalize the deadline of the entire project, and not only that. Okay, to finalize a deadline of a single module also. Entire deadline they need to fix. Each and every module also they need to fix the deadline. Within 1 or 2 meetings they will conduct. They will sit in a room. Then after what happens? Web development, mobile application team develop their own code. They need to backend. But what is the CI developers will do? They will watch YouTube videos or as Netflix movies. What they will do? First of all, coming to front end. Okay, these designers will start the project. Okay, after reading that entire requirements, entire documents, they will understand, okay, how to design an application. So whenever they are designing an application, nobody read HTML and CSS code. First of all, they will design that plan in a Photoshop software, any graphical software. Okay, that graphical software can be anything. Okay, Photoshop or CorelDRAW or Illustrator, whatever it may be. Okay, everybody, first of all, they will design a plan. Okay, here logo will come. Here notification icons will come. Here menu will come. Here offers will come. Here products will come. Here recent searched category, recent searched products will come. Something like that they will design. Understanding and understanding, everybody. Okay, everybody, right? So they will send that image to the client. Why? Any further modifications are required. Okay, you can immediately change it. It is very easy to change in a Photoshop. But if you write any coding, what happens? All the code will be changed. It will be delayed also. Understand everybody? Respond. Okay. Right. If there is any requirement is changed, then they will change that images. So once everything is fine, then what happens? They will finalize a plan. What is the plan? Can be called professionally wireframe. What is that, everybody? Wireframe. Once that wireframe is completed, then what is the thing they will do? We will go for markup. What is that, everybody? Markup. Markup means what? Exact images in the exact place. Exact images in the exact place. For example, you want to purchase a home. Already some nice realtors are purchasing home in a nice locality where hospitals are available, hotels are available, vegetable markets and movie theaters are available, are very near. Okay, where schools are available, which is very very important to the parents. Right, everybody in that locality, you want to purchase a home. Right? Do you purchase a home directly in that locality? No. What will do? You will ask for the plan. What is that, everybody? They will ask for the plan. So that's why every realtor, that means who is constructing 4 to 5 states of buildings, what they will do in front of their construction building, they will display the plan and they will display the image of how after completion of that how our building will look like. Understand, everybody? That plan is what? Wireframe. Okay, and that building how it will look like is what? Markup. Somebody can understand the plan, somebody cannot. So they finally they will see that images. So what we'll do, we'll go to that building. Okay, outside it is looking good. Then after what about the inside? How our flat will look like? We need to get that idea also. So we'll go to that person. That one sales person will be there related to that project. So he will show us the plan manually also. And not only that, he will ask what we will do, we'll ask for our brochure. Why? Outside of our home, how it will look like. And that pro how it will look like. Then after inside of our home, how our hall will look like, how our bedrooms will look like, how our washrooms will be look like, and where is the kitchen, where is puja room, and everything we will see. Okay, understand, everybody? We don't blind. We need to we don't purchase anything blindly. We will see everything in the graphical format. What is that? Brochure. In the same way, software development also, first of all, they will design a plan. Client may be understand us, may not understand us. So he will ask us to create a markup. Understand, everybody? After seeing the markup, then he will get clear idea. Okay, I don't want this in this place. Make it to move it to some other place like that. There will be some conversation will be there. No, no, sir. Here only we need to keep because it's the advantage keeping this thing here only. So that UX person should have more common sense. Which place is suitable for which way, which area. Understand it? Which data we need to display in the which area. That is also very, very important. For example, if you are going to the supermarket also, the starting of the thing, what they will display? Chocolates and everything. Okay, in the starting there is bill counter. Before, after bill counter, what is there? Chocolates. Then after some essentials. Then after finally rice. So whenever you want to reach rice, you need to see all those things. So place is also important, not only selling. Place is also very, very important. Why they are keeping chocolates in front of the bill cabin? Because whenever you are paying bills, you need to bring your kids also. Right, everybody? Nowadays, everybody is living nuclear families. So we cannot leave our children in the home. So we'll bring them. So whenever they see any chocolates, no, I want that chocolate. So understanding or not. So they can increase their sales. So what is that? That is a place management also very, very important. Where we need to keep. Let everybody in the same way whenever you are designing also not a dummy thing. Just here red color, here logo, here the thing like that. Places are very, very important. Okay, everybody? Right. So once that markup also finalized, then he will ask us to convert that image into a web page. To convert that image into a web page, we need to use this HTML and CSS. To make that web page dynamic, that means to make that web page dynamic means to add in order to validate. Always whenever you click, something has to happen, some colors has to change. That means dynamic behavior. To add dynamic behavior for our web page, we need to use JavaScript or jQuery. In order to make that web page as responsive, we need to use this Bootstrap. What is it, everybody? Bootstrap. This is the thing. Okay, everybody. Sorry, we are telling so many things like where is wireframes, so markups, and web page. Where is that involved? Okay, I will show you. Wait one second. I cannot show you the wireframe, but I will show you these things. See here, everybody. Whenever you open any, what are you seeing? Search bar. So what we will do whenever you want to purchase anything, we are in hurry. That particular product directly we will search. We don't see all those things. Where is mobile, like this. Right, everybody? What we will do, directly will come here, we will type Samsung Galaxy RS23, whatever it may be. Directly we will set. So that's why they are keeping this in the top. They are keeping in the top. What is the point I told you about web page? Combination of UX and UI. Understand, everybody? Whatever you are saying is UX. Whatever you are doing is UI, interact. So what are you saying here? Search bar. That means what? It is an experience. Okay, we can search here something like that. Okay, and if you observe here Amazon.in. Understand it, everybody? So if you observe here A and Z, what is the meaning of this? A to Z is available. Whatever the essential is required. Okay, that is not just a alarm. Indirectly is telling A to Z is available in my application. Understanding? Okay, right. And not only this, if you observe here, cart you are seeing, which is this cart is resembling what? A shopping cart in the Mart or something like that. Why? Because in the all the products, whatever you are purchasing, if you want to purchase one, it's okay. But if you want to purchase 10 or 5 to 10 products or more than that, what we'll do? We'll take a cart. In that cart, we'll keep all our products. So here also, whenever you want to purchase multiple products, what we'll do? We'll search and we'll add to cart. Add to cart. So you want to purchase 10 products. You already added to cart 2 to 3 products. Okay, you want to search for other products, but suddenly you will forget what are the products you have ordered. Then what happens? If you want to see that cart information, what are the products already you have added to the cart? You can simply click here. Okay, so he is not writing here. Click here to check all your products here like that. In this much code, this much text is not writing. What simply he is doing? He is keeping here just a icon. What is it, everybody? Icon. So by seeing that icon, we will get that information. They don't click here to see all your products which are added in the cart like that. That much string they don't write. Simply they will display here cart. Still, the persons who don't have this, what is the symbol? That's why they are writing here cart. That's immediately you can click. What is this? User experience. Who designed this? User experience personal. Sorry, user experience personally. Graphical personal. Understand everyone? Respond everyone. Okay? Right. And then after, if you observe here next, offers related things immediately they are displaying. Why? Because you are opening the Amazon.in. Okay. But some users they open, they will have only that particular product related amount. But for some persons has more money also. So what they will do, they want to purchase other things. So that what happens, to get that interest, they will give offers related to same. See that clearance store 50 to 70% offer. Something like that. Offer related is first of all they are displaying. So if you have more money, what happens? Immediately you can check. You can purchase also. So they are making interest in this application. So they are not keeping outside, not in the last. Very starting they are keeping. Then after what happens? Immediately wherever you stop for the previously I have checked for this gloves or anything. Understand everybody? So that what happened? Wherever I have stopped. Okay. Then what happens? Most of the psychology is what wherever they are stopped, that particular things only everybody wants to purchase. So that's immediately they are opening, they are displaying like this. Understanding or not? Respond everybody. See it? So if you have money, so if you forget also they are remembering. You have money, but you forgot what you searched previously, what you want to purchase previously. But suddenly if you see, okay, I want to purchase clothes, I forgot, like immediately will purchase that. Understanding or not? Respond. That much psychology is involved here. This is not just a play dummy things. Okay, psychology is also very important. Okay, we need to motivate the user to buy at least something. By seeing these offers, we'll get some interest. By seeing these things, we will get some interest. Okay, right, and say here today deals. By seeing this also, we'll get some interest. So where is the offers there? So if you are going to any gym, this is the offers you can check. Understand that? If you want any cooking related things, you can check here. Shoes and everything is available. Understand everybody? Respond. So this much advantage is there. This is not just a dummy thing. UX or UI. You'll feel okay. We'll read in the W3 schools. what is in HTML, H1 only, H2 only, what is there more, something like that. This much is involved. Understanding? Online people respond. Hello? Respond. See, I'm asking so many times, please respond.
Yes.
Nobody is responding. Except Rajesh, nobody at least minimum responding. Are you attending to the office or what? Sika, Malli, Hima. Okay, right. This much is involved in this UI tutorials. Okay, so that is web development. Okay, everybody, right? Understanding that this is called web page creation. Okay, right. So, what is the importance of web application? This UI development in the web application development. I told in the web application development there is two sections: front end and back end. Right, everybody? We have front end also and back end also. Everybody thinks back end only very important. So most of the time we will think front end is not important, something like that. Only H1 tag, H2 tag, table tag, P tag, what is there, something like that will be. Right, everybody? So front end is that means designing. Designing effect is very important. They are not. So it is very important also. Okay, right. Why I will tell you. For example, you are going to a restaurant. Okay, their taste is good. Okay, you have seen in the Google. So they are everybody is telling taste is good like that. We went to the hotel, restaurant, whatever it may be. So after reaching there, okay, though the food is good, but somebody what they are doing, they are keeping their legs on the table and they are eating. Okay, so do you sit opposite to them? Whoever keeps leg on the table, do you sit opposite to them and eat? Respond. No. Somebody is smoking. Do you sit there and eat? Somebody is doing smoking also. Okay, somebody is doing alcohol. Okay, drinking alcohol. Can you sit and eat it? No. Why? Though the taste is good, ambience is not. So we don't experience anything. You'll get some bad experience. In the same way, whenever you open any application, for example, they are displaying this offers in this much space, only this much space. That is also very here, very bottom of the application. Do you use that application second time? No. Or else if you are using also tomorrow, somebody developed application. He is displaying all the offers at the top. What we will do? So whenever we use other application, no need to search for the offers because directly they will display the offers only. Everybody use that application. Understanding or not? So some products you are seeing a buy now button. Some products you are not seeing buy now button. You are not showing. Understanding? So anybody use our application? No. So one product you are displaying here, one product you are displaying here, one product you are displaying somewhere. After scrolling and scrolling, then they will display the third product. Anybody use our application? No. Okay. And colors also, see it, it is light white only, not pure white also, light white only. But if you are using here orange color or anything, very bright colors, to use our application? No. Why? Because our eyes will strain. Right, everybody? So though this Amazon.in is secure, it is performing very well. See, number of users, lakhs of people, crores of people use at the same time. Everybody clicks on the add to cart button, buy now button at the same time. Crores of people will do that. As thousands of people will do that. But still, it is not hanging. It is working fine. So that means security is there, performance also there. But still, if the user interface is not good, we'll just ignore it. We'll just ignore it. Understand, everybody? So that's why this user interface also very important. If the user interface is not good, nobody come to our application. If anybody comes also, second time they don't come. So repeated, we don't get the users repeatedly. So UI development also not just a dummy thing. It is very important. How much a backend developer is important, in the same way front end developer also important. Maybe they work complete maybe within 3 days or 1 week or 1 month, something like that. But it is also very important. Clear or not? Respond everybody. Right. Okay, if you compare with the real world scenario also, for example, you want to go to a movie, okay, in your local town only, but theater is very, very bad. So most also there, seats also looks good, and all other useless fellows also will come to the theater. They smoke or something like that. So you, though that, suppose think in that movie, in that theater, Salar also released. Think like that, latest movie Salar. So you watch there, or else after 10 kilometers, there is other theater also available. So which is neatly available. Okay, so everything is there is AC also there, so nice seats also there, and only particular type of persons will come. So which one you will prefer? First one or second one? Second one. Though it is 10 kilometers away, but just because of the interface is good, you will go to that particular theater. In the same way, if your user interface is looking good, okay, so if there is security and performance also, everybody will come to our application. Understand everybody? So this is the importance of UI development. This is not just a random thing. I will just we will keep only H1 or H2 something, but no, not like that. Okay, that is we are making our application attractive to the users. Then only most of the users will. Understand everybody? So this is the importance of UI development. Okay, this is the importance of UI development. So we are playing a important role in the software development also. Software industry is playing important role in the world, and okay, especially in the software engineers, web development is playing very important role in the entire world. And among in the web development, in the inside the web development also, UI developers also playing crucial role. Right, everybody? So that's what I want to tell you. So we are playing crucial role. Not only that, okay, and our job security also very high, career security also very high, and you will get more salaries also. But when you will get more salaries, along with the CA technologies, if you know React JS or React. Okay, right. Simultaneously also you can learn, or else after completion of this course also you can learn. That is your personal choice. Clear or not? Respond everybody. Right. So this is about the introduction of UI technology. Okay, everybody. Right. So tomorrow class I will show you this course related content also. That means example phase I will show you content. Somebody what they will do, they will show the content in the Word document. We don't know whether they tell the example or not. Understand everybody? So to clarify that, I will show the content in the form of example phase. What are the examples I told in the previous batches? Understanding or not? Okay, right. Okay, everybody. Thereafter, I will give introduction to this one. What is HTML? What is CSS? Everything we'll discuss tomorrow. If I directly get into the topic today, like what is HTML? What is CSS? Who is coming from BA background, BCom background, mechanical civil background? They don't understand what is the CUI technologies, what they will do in the software industry. So everybody has to feel comfortable. Not only computer students, not only other persons, not only intelligence. Okay, everybody has to get benefit who is attending my classes. So that's why I'm telling these points in the starting of the class. So tomorrow I will give introduction to the content, and after that I will give introduction to the HTML and CSS. Understand everybody? So if they forgot also, if I forgot also, please remember me. Sorry, you told that you will display the content something like that. Understand everybody? Definitely I will show you. Understanding? So that's it everyone. This is the class for today. Tomorrow we'll meet. We'll continue our class. Okay, everybody? Right. That's it everyone. Thank you. Thanks for attending my classes. Bye everyone. You got some knowledge right today class? Respond. Online people respond. You got knowledge or not?